Welcome back. My name is Kit Lancaster with GCG Financial. I'm here with Kate Curler. We're in the offices of Mabley in River North, Chicago. And today we're going to talk about different aspects of veteran aid and attendance. I want to introduce my audience and I want to introduce you guys to Kate Curler based on her personal experience, based on some different services that are available for veterans out there that could be of great benefit to you, your family, or someone that you know that's aging. Kate, first off, welcome. Thank you so much for coming in today. You're phenomenal research, you're a phenomenal resource for everything from elder law as well as veteran aid and attendance. Where are you from originally, Kate?
I'm originally from Michigan. That's where I grew up. Moved around the country a little bit, then I settled in Northern California. But based on experiences where my parents started to become sick, which is how I got into elder law, I ended up moving to the Chicagoland area to be closer to them in Michigan.
Now with elder law, how long have you been practicing elder law?
I've been practicing as an attorney for 12 years, and for a while I did divorce work, which also involved looking at people's estate plans, helping them, giving them some advice regarding finances and looking at assets. So I have about 12 years of examining people's assets and kind of the big picture for them, but I've really been focused on the elder law field for almost 4 years now.
And what drives you and motivates you in elder law?
Well, what drives me in elder law is a lot of it is my personal experience. I was a caregiver daughter for my parents for 10 years, and I learned firsthand what it was like to the messes of hospitalization stays, rehabilitation centers, and nursing homes. So I had that firsthand experience, and so I've been able to take that experience as a caregiver daughter and apply it to my legal experience and my legal expertise, and kind of come up with a new approach to help seniors and families deal with the challenges of aging.
And with your respected experience and your experience too with different aspects of working in the veteran community, are there different aspects of the veteran community that you're familiar with or you've worked with that you'd like to make sure our audience is aware about?
Well, there's recently a group, I did a great phone call with a gentleman by the name of Zach Armstrong yesterday, who actually you connected me with, regarding a group called Team Red, White, and Blue. And they're a great group when it comes to helping veterans in regarding socialization and having a social outlet, and also athletic events where they can get together and meet each other and people in their community. So that's one group that I've been working with. And then there's Chase Bank has a veterans program, and what I found as an entrepreneur is a big part of me growing my business and learning how to be a business owner are the connections that I'm making. So I'm working right now with Chase Bank to help them, either mentoring a couple young attorneys or just kind of sitting down with them and telling them about my experiences in networking and how it's helped me to grow my business and become a businesswoman.
Okay. With different aspects of working with veterans specifically, are there different programs out there that veterans should know about, as it pertains to elder law or aging?
Definitely. I'm really excited about working with veterans aid and attendance. A lot of people don't know about this program. Unfortunately, it's not a big moneymaker for attorneys because during the process of the application process, we can't charge our clients for that. But we can charge them for the advice, and we can charge them for doing some sort of planning that it takes to make people eligible. But it's a really exciting program that a lot of people don't know about. Right now we have, there's the Greatest Generation that's coming through, the World War II veterans, but more so the veterans of Vietnam are going to be coming through, the baby boomers through the system. And essentially what aid and attendance is it gives people tax-free funds into their home on a monthly basis if they're eligible in order to help them pay for their medical bills and their home care. So my elder law practice, a big part of my focus is keeping seniors in their homes. Or if they have to go to assisted living or a nursing home, maximizing the resources that they have. It's really important to have long-term care insurance, but not everybody can afford those premiums. So if you're eligible for aid and attendance, the eligibility is very easy. It's only 90 days of active service and only 1 day during wartime. You're eligible if you have a certain amount of medical bills and only a certain amount of assets. And it's between $1,200 and $2,400, whether it be for the veteran, for the couple, or for a widow. So there's a lot of widows out there right now of the Greatest Generation that are eligible that don't even know about the program, and it could help keep them in their home.
Okay, if there's a spouse, a veteran, a friend of a veteran, a child of a veteran that wants to learn more about this, what's a great way that they can contact you or learn more about you? Or how can they also contact or maybe look up and research more about this program on their own?
Well, I think if there's they can go to the government website, but that can be a little confusing, and do some of their own research on their own. I have found aid and attendance, some of the criteria can be pretty confusing. I just went to a 2-day training in Atlanta. It was pretty intensive. I would encourage them to call me. They can definitely call me or go through my website. I don't know if you want the exact contact information.
Absolutely. If you can give them the phone number, contact information, email.
Yeah. My phone number is 312-952-1077. My website is Curler Law. It's my last name, CURLERLAW @gmail.com. And I can actually, I talk to people. I do a free consultation for a half hour. I can definitely walk them through the ins and outs and brainstorm with them.
Well, Kate, we really appreciate your time here. We appreciate that information. And just to echo a little bit of what you said, things can be confusing. Using professionals is usually worth your weight in not just necessarily just time savings, but making sure you're pursuing the right courses of action in those respected fields. Elder law and working with the government benefits is by far a great example of a great opportunity and reason to entertain working with a professional like Kate, who's been where you're going and can help light the way for you. So we'd like to thank our friends here at Mabley. We'd like to thank MeetAdvisors for their time and their space. And for more interviews pertaining to the veteran community and veteran businesses, please find us on MeetAdvisors.com. Thank you.